If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making RASABALI PATTA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter cup of powdered sugar, which we will sprinkle on top of it. Then 2 tablespoons of wheat flour or atta and a pinch of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chena, slowly pour some water on top of it. It will get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Then collect the Chena in a bowl and to that add all the flour, powder and the salt. Now combine these really well and knead it to make a dough. Now let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. Then placing it in between your palm, flatten it a little, just like this. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then to that, add them one by one. And we need to fry these until they turn golden brown in color. Then remove them from the pan and they should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, RASABALI PATTA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.